Alright, Andy, I don't know if you can see this, but that's a bunch of deer up there. See them? And we're about a mile away from the farm. Actually, less than a mile. Look at them go. That is awesome. See if I can get a little bit closer before they run. Awesome, awesome. That is a very nice sized deer. Okay, this is the property next to mine. You can see there are no trees on it. Those deer that I just saw are right over that hill. This is the property on the opposite side. Absolutely barren. Okay, now if you look over there, all those trees, that's my property. Right here at the start of the snake bend is going to be the start of my property line. And I'll go into our first pasture, but those are all the trees that are on the property. Give you a little idea. I mean, to get through this you need a pretty small SUV or a four-wheeler, or just walk. 163 acres, walkable distance. That goes into one of the thickest copse of woods. This is it's a creek bed. There's a ton of these. We have limestone rocks out here. The trees are thickest where the creek beds are, obviously. You can see that. Got some geese flying through here. Well, that'll give you some perspective. That's one of the smaller brushes around here. That's a full-size SUV, so a little bit of perspective, but that's just a shit ton of it. And the battery's about to die, so